The Siglent SDS1202X-E Oscilloscope is equipped with a 200 megahertz bandwidth and a 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, providing excellent signal fidelity and performance. It features a unique SPO technology that ensures lower system noise compared to other models in the market. The oscilloscope offers a wide range of measurement capabilities, including a minimum vertical input range of 500 microvolts per division. With its innovative digital trigger system, the device boasts high sensitivity and low jitter, enhancing its performance in complex signal environments. The inclusion of a 256 level intensity grading display and a color temperature display mode enhances the visualization of waveforms. The SDS1202X-E also supports advanced triggering and decoding for various serial bus protocols, making it a versatile tool for engineers and technicians.